Hey, I got your message. What happened? Did you get in trouble? Oh wow. How did you get away with that? You're pushing your luck, man. But anyway, I need your help, so get here as soon as possible. Alright. Call me when you get off the bus. And hurry, we have to get everything done by 5. Okay, bye. Always trying to get out of work. Hi, Nick is here. Sorry about that. And today's topic is, well, if you listen carefully, you might have noticed that I said the word get a lot. And this is indeed one of the most frequent verbs in English. And it's got several meanings. Today we're going to take a look at the 3 most common. And the first one is to obtain, to receive, or to buy. So basically when you take possession of something. Get a passport. In my country, you can get a passport when you are 14 years old. So when you turn 14, you can obtain a passport. If I were to ask you, did you get the email I sent? I would mean, did you receive the email that I sent you? Or did you get the picture? Or did you get the message? Alright? Get new shoes. I need to get new shoes for the ceremony. I mean that I need to buy new shoes for the ceremony. Of course, you wouldn't want to steal the shoes, right? The second meaning of the word get is to reach your destination or to arrive somewhere. For example, she gets to work by bus every day. Get to work means to reach the place where you work. Another example, we will get to Moscow at 3 o'clock. That means that we will reach our destination, which is Moscow in this case, at 3 o'clock. Okay? And the third one is to become. After doing a lot of exercise, I get really hungry. It means that after the workout, I usually become very, very hungry. Get tired. Nat can't study in the evenings. He usually gets really tired after work. So Nat probably works really hard and usually he becomes very tired in the evenings. Okay? Now, if you take a look at all 3 examples, you might notice that they have something in common. They represent the same idea. The idea of 2 concepts joined together. Let me give you more examples. Get a car. Here you can see me without a car. And when I get a car, I start to possess it. So 2 concepts, me possessing a car, joined together, and now you can see me with a car. Another one, get to Paris. Again, here you can see me, and when I get to Paris, I change my location. So me, the new location joined together, and voila, I'm in Paris. Get rich. The same thing here. Me being rich joined together, and here we go. I hope now you understand it. Or another good way to say it, I hope now you get it. To get something is a phrasal verb that means to understand. The verb get has quite an extensive list of phrasal verbs. Let's take a look at some of them. And the first one is to get along with. When you get along with someone, that means that you have a good relationship with that person. For example, Judith and Tom would make a good couple. They get along so well. So, if Judith and Tom get along really well, that means that they have common interests and they're a good match for each other. Get away with. When you get away with something, it means that you do something, usually something bad or something that is not allowed, and then you avoid being punished. So you do something bad and then you avoid the punishment. For example, I still can't believe that he got away with cheating on a test. So, the person cheated on a test and he didn't get caught. So he got away with that. He didn't get punished. Get rid of. Get rid of means to throw away something or to eliminate. For example, this chicken smells odd. You better get rid of it. Get over. Get over something means to recover from something. To recover from stress or from illness, from something bad that happened to you. For example, it's been 2 months since they broke up, but she still can't get over it. That means that she still can't recover from something bad that happened to her. She still can't recover from the breakup. The next one and the last one is to get out of. When you get out of something, it means that you avoid doing something that you are supposed to do, but you don't want to do that. For example, he called in sick to get out of the meeting. So the person didn't want to go to the meeting, so he pretended to be sick. He could avoid going to the meeting. I hope you like this video and see you in the next one.